What's good, YouTube? Simon pulled up down here and made it, so getting the eyes put on, it's gonna make my car look totally different. So y'all check this out, man. We got these laid down on the windshield. I'm actually gonna see where I'm going. I'm gonna see where I'm going. How y'all feeling? I'm liking it. I'm liking it already. Now he does have a bigger package, kind of like similar to his on his windshield. So here's the issue that I really don't want to run into. So if I'm sitting in the car here, if they come above this, I am going to be dead in the water if it rains. And I'm going to have to because rain, as you can get closer and see, they're really small like circles. So this is kind of like a screen door. It's called it's a P word. I don't know exactly what the P word is, but if it rains, I am going to be dead. So this is the lower option to where I can probably still get away with being able to drive while it's raining. Look at this guy. I can't do all that whistling. I can't do that. So yeah, we're gonna get everything set up. I'm gonna get the park in the driveway next to him. We're gonna get these put on. Probably gonna see what the other ones look like as well. But I'm liking this, man. Like I'm feeling it because it's gonna make my car actually come together. Oh, it was good while it lasted. Gotta take this off. No, I am not leaving the club. I have another one at the house that I will be putting back on as soon as I touch back down in my hometown. God damn. Why can't I get this off? God damn. It's kind of tough. God damn. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, there we go. I can see there is still residue of where it's at. That's how you know how long I've been in the club. Before we get into putting the eyes on the windshield, finna set y'all up on the tripod, I do want to give a big shout out to my boy Mcqueen, Atlanta, hooking me up with the set of eyes. Y'all see his socials right here. Also link him down below in the description. Got the EcoBoost Mustang, red version, Rusties. Like I said, big shout out to him. Without him, I wouldn't have any eyes on my car whatsoever. So definitely want to give a big thanks to him for helping me out, and like I said, also helping me install them as well. So finna go ahead and get y'all set up on the tripod, and we finna get this shit poppin'.
Tell a bit high, I'm on some low down shit. Tryna set me up, it's gonna go down, bitch. You don't need no drink, the perk go down quick. Me gon' wait, tryna get caught with.
So we were just getting started, and his neighbor begins to pull up right here. They've never seen me and him together at the same place, so they wanted to come chop it up and take a couple pictures. So I'm gonna let y'all tune into the live audio.
I don't ever catch you sitting still. So I want to take two together.
Yeah, of course.
One of the, you got the best one. I don't know about that. We all know the red one.
Oh, of course.
But nah, one of my bosses at Waffle House that I used to work for, he'll send me a picture of his car. He'll be like, oh, I seen his car. I seen his car. And I'm like, have you seen the blue one? Look, there's my wife and kids. Look, my son's like, that. Look. I can't ever catch y'all two side by side. I've seen you over here, but usually you're leaving or something. Or
yeah. He's like, I want to get out.
Look, my kids are like, ah,
We literally watched Cars earlier too. So.
I watched Cars earlier too, yeah.
Where are you going?
He climbed up the driver's seat.
I was going to let him out this side.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
You want to stand in front of him? Stand in front of him, let me take a picture.
We're putting new eyes on Dinoco now.
Yeah, which was a good like 2 minutes later.
There you
Oh, I
go.
had the eyes on it already.
The eyes. Yeah.
I had to open him up a TikTok and put that picture as his profile picture.
Oh.
That's gonna be a great picture.
I know. Look, now Abigail wants to get out and see it too.
Because he got out,
And you
so.
put new eyes on yours?
You see?
Yeah. So these are the eyes that are going to be in this car.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically gonna look like that.
Gotcha.
Oh, cool.
Cleaning and everything, getting
We
ready.
literally watched Cars earlier today, so.
Yeah.
Perfect timing, huh?
I know, right?
Yeah.
For real.
Like all the blue Dinoco cars here too.
Yeah.
Why don't you have the letters on your tires yet, man? They're just too skinny.
I actually took them off. I had them on there.
Oh, okay.
I took them off. I got new tires.
I got you.
I just haven't put them on yet.
Yeah.
Really trying to decide if I want to leave them off.
Aw, say
I
thank
like
you.
the look. But I know Mcqueen obviously has them on there.
Yeah.
I think I need to put them back on there.
Whoa, dude. Heck yeah, man. Oh, you got one too?
Yeah, no, look at it.
I'm waiting for y'all to get a mater to park out here.
Oh my gosh, right?
Maybe I'll turn mine into mater.
Go for it.
That'd be
Get old
hilarious.
rusty, get old rusty toe thing in the back.
That'd
Well,
be hilarious.
there's a guy in California. He turned his F-150 into Mater.
Oh wow,
That's
really?
It
hilarious.
looks good.
That's
Of
cool.
course, it's not the same.
Yeah, it's
car,
not
right,
the
but I
old
think, yeah, I would
pickup. She turned in front of me and then she saw me turn. So
I
he's
turned
like,
really slow because he said something about
Yeah.
the Dinoco car.
And then she realized I wasn't following her. She's like, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, we're on video.
It does.
Oh man.
So
Oh.
it's a family,
It's cute. It's his car.
He's in the front seat of the truck.
It's his
I'm
car.
like,
You gotta ask
sit
him.
back, sit
This one.
back.
That's
Him.
awesome.
What's up?
She's like, I want to. She asked me if she could touch it.
Oh.
What?
Blue's her favorite color, by the way.
Yeah.
See that?
She's happy. She's good. If all women were that easy, right?
You like this car? It's blue. Your favorite.
Touch this car, dude. Just don't rub your fingers all over it.
Definitely enjoyed the neighbors. They probably stayed around for about a good 20 minutes. Just chopped it up. They took pictures. Now it's time to hop back on these eyes. Hey, JAHARI, go ahead and turn me back up, man. We're going to try this again.
Tell a bit high, I'm on some low down shit. Tryna set me up, it's gon' go down, bitch. You don't need no drink, the perk go down quick. Me gon' wait, tryna got caught with 4 pounds of shit. Got a sexy brown bitch like I'm on Crown and Henny. How big on sit two, trapping low pounds of Mitch. Money must be real, though they don't know how to get it. I ain't seen or heard shit, I'm no kind of witness. That's not my business, and them not my bitches. They holler about smoke, so we pull up like britches. BC just bought them a brand new chopper. It seen my top social, it shoot from a distance. That fire like my license, I'm riding around with it. Why nigga get up and start downing they niggas? They small talking me shit, I'm bound to go bigger. She want me to chase her, she drowning and leave a big message on y'all to help. I can breathe, but like Weezy, I'm out of there. When I step, I just see that they got us stuff. Treat these bitches like shoes right now.
So right here, you're going to start seeing us grab the tent. It actually sadly started raining. But you already know we going to get these eyes on here regardless. This show must go on.
That it poetry night. If he diss me that morning, we go up tonight. If it smoke, then we chief and we glowing tonight. Got a grudge with a judge and I'm holding it tight. I hope Tim beat the case and he know how to fight. I'll be serving the J while I flow on the mic. And bitch, I'm a dog, but you know I don't bite. And your hoe is a hoe, so you know I'm a slide. Think of Toy Story, this shit here funny. She all on my woody since I started buzzing. It clip like a goose nigga, got nigga ducking. Can't be by the chick, get the chicken, stop clucking. Make that bitch jump and I ain't gotta touch it. Say dick, give a light, but she know I ain't judging. She call me stank, but I'm smelling so lovely. If I'm in the lights, then more likely we fuck. Tell a bit high, I'm on some low down shit. Tryna set me up, it's gon' go down, bitch. You don't need no drink, the perk go down quick. Me gon' wait, tryna got caught with 4 pounds of shit. Got a sexy brown bitch like I'm on Crown crown and Henny. How big on sit two, trapping low pounds of Mitch. Money must be real, though they don't know how to get it. I ain't seen or heard shit, I'm no kind of witness. That's not my business, and them not my bitches. They holler about smoke, so we pull up like britches. BC just bought them a brand new chopper. It seem my top social, it shoot from a distance. That fire like my license, I'm riding around with it. Why niggas get up and start downing they niggas? They small talking me shit, I'm bound to go bigger. She want me to chase her, she drowning in liquor.
Woo! Hey! Woo! How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? I think I'm feeling good. I think this really just brought the whole. This really just brought the whole look out of the car by putting these eyes on. Just a simple modification just made a whole hell of a difference. Now I know we still got the heat gun here and the squeegees and the tape gun because I still gotta. So you can see how his windshield is. I don't want to miss no details, so see how his windshield kind of curbs with it. You know, I gotta have the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have the same thing. So that's kind of what we're working on right now. We're gonna get the curvature of the eyebrows so it'll kind of come together. So, but hey, the bottom part. Hey man, say man, I'm feeling it. I am definitely feeling it. So when we get everything like back together and the top cut, hey, we're gonna be in the game. It did start raining, as you've seen in the whole time lapse. We had to go grab a tent real quick, but we still managed to get it done. So I'll show y'all the final look. God damn, that boy can see. So here is, well, okay, now wait. Okay, now here we go. Here is the final look at Dinoco Mcqueen now with the eyes. I like it. Like I said earlier, I really would wish I could take my wipers off, but y'all know that would be the stupidest thing I could ever do. But I'm liking it. I am liking it. Man. Like I said earlier, this is the smallest things that can make your car look so much better. And this is something I've been missing for the longest. So hey, y'all let me know. Like I said earlier, let me know down in the comment section. Is this a W or L? I think it's a W. Got more things still up and coming. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Woo! Yes, sir. 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 Now we look like some. Now we looking like some.